72 degrees this morning in Chicago, gonna be a high of 89 degrees. Brought some mini macaroons home from my filming session yesterday at Crave Kebab. I talked about this on the vlog. These are my absolute favorite one of their desserts, and hilariously, I'm not a dessert person really after meals, after dinner. I like them with coffee in the mornings. Chewy coconut macaroons with apricot jam. Sugar, egg whites, coconut, vanilla. They're so simple, but so good. Look at this, it's like two kind of glued together with that apricot jam. Like an Oreo, I like to separate. Look at all that apricot jam on there. Get like two little cookies. Such a fun texture. And then dip it in the coffee. Kind of looks like one of those volcanoes you'd make as a kid that would erupt with like fake lava. I just gave you your breakfast. Now you wanna eat mine? Today is Eat Local and Number 6 for Cheese Film Day. 4 episodes, bang, 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 bang.
Goes a bang, 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 till my feet do the same.
But first, a workout at Gym Pod to try to, you get it.
We get it.
Isn't it funny?
Gym Pod session done. Now I can feel 1% less disgusting about eating 4 meals in a 2-hour span. Bye, Gym Pod. See you soon. I love you like one of my own. I genuinely am like kind of falling in love with weightlifting again because of that place. It's just so nice to do it yourself. Okay, going to film. Just edited a reel. The lead barista at Around the World Coffee filmed this awesome thing, so I did a little editing to it, but it never ends, man. It never ends. But tonight, I'm excited. Did you see the thumbnail? I haven't even said. What's up, dude? All right, got everything? All right, dude.
All right, later, bud.
See you soon. Just drop me that clip whenever you can.
Oh, yeah.
And just like that, 4 hours have passed. Do I feel the complete opposite that I did after leaving Gym Pod this morning? I don't not feel the opposite of how I felt. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. I missed you. Hi, buddy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, so you already know this isn't a surprise. Just spent a lot of filming and editing today, but now is the time to go to AEW Dynamite at Wintrust Arena by myself. My buddy can no longer go, and it would be so instinctive for me to just stay home and watch it on TV and like not go to a big thing like this alone. But I'm gonna go alone, and I'm just gonna have a night out for myself. I never do that, and just enjoy, but I will take you guys with me because I love the vlog.
I gotta get some fucking friends.
So Dynamite tonight.
This is the Green Line train at 63rd and Cottage Road. This is Cermak McCormick Place.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
1 minute away. I wanted to bring you all one of the best Dynamite cards of the year. We're about to have an amazing Wednesday night Dynamite here. This arena, the Wintrust Arena, is one of my favorite places in the entire world. Thank you for being here tonight.
soft pretzel, I have to get a soft pretzel. It's just what I do. I have a weakness. It's a problem. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Despite doing 4 food reviews, I see a soft pretzel, a Bavarian soft pretzel from Super Pretzel. I always love these packets of mustard have 1 bite of mustard in it. These taste so much better at entertainment sporting events. It's perfect. Quite literally the only downfall. 0 salt. What are we doing? This is the first live wrestling show I've gone to since the cruise, the Jericho cruise in January. It feels good to be surrounded by a bunch of wrestling fans. My brother and I came to Dynamite here together last year in Chicago. And I'm going to be going to a Chicago Sky game in like 2 weeks. So excited. I haven't been to a WNBA game since Detroit had a team like 25 years ago. It hits. Anti-hero. There's a soft pretzel. It's a good day. All right, I'm so glad I went to that. Amazing card. The show was so good. I feel good. That was great. Now we head home. Little nightcap to end this vlog. Just got home. Aloha, Ohio, Midwest Style IPA. Renee and Kevin sent these. If you saw that unboxing on the vlog. Cheers, Renee and Kevin. Thank you. Drink it in bits and spurts. So good. Ghost Tree Brewing. Nice job, and with the label. Alright guys, gonna call the vlog there. Little Bessie's Revenge, Screamin' Sicilian, all that Wisconsin cheese, zhuzhed up, little salt, olive oil, fresh basil from the basil plant in the apartment. That's a late night cheese pizza right there. Just for me. Just kidding, 2 of these are for Ellie. A little cracked black pepper on mine too. Alright y'all, enjoy the 4th, the long weekend. I ate the whole basil.
Whoop-de-doo! What does it all mean, Basil?
Always zhuzh. Be good to each other.
So you need to get in the back of the line.